Welcome students. In this video, let us see a short discussion about Kirchhoff current law. Okay, so where this law has to be applied and what are the things has to keep in mind. So while solving current related issues, okay, that is what is the rule has to follow. In general, so in any given network, okay, at any node point, so the algebraic sum of the currents that is entering should be equal to the amount of currents leaving. Okay, that means there is no accumulation of the current at any junction of the components interconnection point. That means, so definitely whatever the current might be entering, it has to be leave to the another components. Okay, so which signifies the conservation of charge. Okay, now see when at what point this law has to be applied. Okay, suppose if you want to calculate the unknown currents or its unknown voltages, okay, so what should be the relation of the currents that will be flowing in any given electrical network, a complex network. At that point of time, we need to consider the currents flowing at a junction point, okay, which are called as node points. Okay, so at any node, let us observe what are the currents flowing and what are the currents entering. We may have a doubt like so how can we say that the current is entering or current is leaving? Okay, that means it is depends upon the based on the direction of flow of current. Now what decides the direction of flow of current? Next point here, as you have already seen, if in the presence of active sources, so these components will behave how they will behave and what will be the direction of the current. Okay, suppose in the presence of active source, resistance, inductors and capacitors, all these components current will be flown. So what will be the direction? It will be from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, so by marking these indications, we will see whether the current is entering or leaving at any particular node in a given electrical network. Okay, so here the 2 points you need to remember. What is the node point? Okay, at that junction, so what are the amount of currents flowing and what will be the direction of the currents. Okay, and finally we will see sum of entering current should be equal to the sum of leaving currents. So based on that, we will find the unknown things which might be required.